Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training. We're continuing our vernacular wood frame house. So we added our second level here, and I put some joists here because we're going to have that along that edge and that level there. So there's that one, and I think I'm going to need one across here as well. And this is pretty good to do in a 3D view because you can use 3D snapping here. So again, we're using the beam system. So now, like I said before, we want to look at our architect's model and see what openings we have. So here, we did have a door here, and I'm keeping my beam system intact for now. We got a window there and over here. So now let's go and turn on our architect's model just to see where we're at. We probably need some edge beams here, joists here, but I'm going to go ahead and just go and turn this on. So I'm going to reload this. And she'll open up any minute now. It's okay because I got a nice cold drink here with me. Okay, so now the architect's model is linked in. And as you can see, we have all these windows here. So what I did here, I'm using this wall in the structural model here to create these openings. So what I want to do now is I'm going to go ahead and let's add these. Let's go ahead and add the studs, and we can we could do the same thing here. We can grab these guys here. Let me see if I can grab that one. I'm gonna tab it, and I got all of them. Yep. Do I have them all? Yeah, I got them all, and I'm gonna just paste these to the. I think that's level 1. Yeah, so there's our stud walls here. Let's grab these on this side. Yep, we can do the same thing. We grab them here and we'll paste them in. Then we're going to copy these to line sector levels, level 1 again. Okay. Now, of course, we're going to have a door opening there, but let's just bring these up for our second level. Okay, actually, these are not tall enough. They got to go up to the floor line. So I'm going to go into my, so that's too short, of course. So we're going to go into this view. Let's go into our, what would be elevation would that be? And then here, what I might do, I might just grab these guys and edit the boundary here. And this will go all the way up. Just for now, let's go to there and finish it. So there's our studs for that wall, the second level. I mean, you got a lot of ways you can do this, folks. You can do this with, I think I want to go into elevation view to do this. I'm going to hit that view right there. Okay, so there's our stud wall. So I'm going to go into elevated view. Let me see, I think that's north that way. And then we want to shut the background off just for now. Unload that. Okay. Just so I can see where these studs are going. So these studs should go up to, let me grab it here. I want to edit this boundary. And I want to just push this up to say right about there. And finish it. Okay, now normally this stuff is going to line up, but this is just for our, let's go to the south side. Okay, now here, I want to go into my 3D view once again. I wonder if I could just do this. I'm going to edit this boundary here. And let me go to that would be west elevation. Yep, and I want to just push this up to there and finish it. Same with this. We grab the beam system. Actually, we want to copy this. Want to tab this guy. And I want to paste, copy it, paste it to selected levels, and we're going to go to level 1. And we're going to go OK. And then we want to push this guy up, right at the boundary here. So, I mean, you can use curtain walls to do this. There are many ways to do beam systems and framing. They've got a lot of third-party softwares floating around, but I'm just showing you this because this is for one of my subscribers asked me about framing a vernacular house, so we're going at it here. So now I'm going to go into this other elevation here, see what's happening in 3D. Okay. So let's go and do these two walls here. Actually, I want to grab this plate as well. I'm going to tab this. So I can grab all these at once with the tab command. Okay, so we'll get that later. But this is basically how this is done, how you would do this. So I've got all my walls here. Even this one, let me grab this guy here. This beam system. So what you can do is just tab until you find it. I got it there. And I want to copy it. I'm going to paste it. I want to copy it to level 2. To level 1. I'm sorry. You go OK. And then I want to go and push it up to here. I think I can grab it there in that view. Let me see, edit boundary. And I'm going to just align it. I should have done this before. Align it to there. So you can also do that. And then I want to finish this. There. So we're coming along with our framing for our upper level, our first level. Let's do this side as well, folks. So I'm going to grab my beam system here. Got it. And then I want to paste, copy it. I want to paste it to line levels, and I'm going to go to level 1 here. And OK. And then I want to go, what view is this? It's the front view. That should probably be the west. So I'm going to go look at my west elevation here. Here we go. And I'm going to, so if I can grab that beam system we just created, or we just copied up here. Okay, let's do this in 3D. Oh, where is it? There they are. So I want to grab these guys here. I want to edit the boundary. And then I want to push these up. And I think that's north, yeah, north elevation. And I want to align these here to this, to the bottom of the joist here. There. And we're going to finish that. Say yes here. And there's our framing coming along good here. I'm going to go grab these as well. I'm going to tab this. I'm going to copy these and paste it to align selected levels, level 1. Okay. And then you get the idea how I work these beam systems, because I like to do all my openness last. So we're going to get to that. Sorry, should have sped this up or something. So I'm going to tab this. And then I'm going to go into my, that would be east elevation here. Edit this boundary. I want to align this just to the bottom of this joist here. And we'll go finish it. Okay, so there we go. So we've got our first level done, and actually I might want to even push these columns up. Yes, I do. So I want to grab my columns here and push these up to the second level for right now. So I want to go into my grade level, grab each column here. Let's see. Control, I'm sorry. Grab each of these columns. And then I'm going to go to my properties here, and I want to take these columns up to level, I'm going to take them up to the roof. And have to look in 3D. So basically we've got our house framed out here. And we might need this plate. We're going to need this plate. And we do the same thing. We can grab this plate here. I'm going to actually grab all of them. And this one. I can. Yep, that one. And another one there. We'll take this one. And this one. And we do the same thing here. We're at, we need these at level 1, I think. So I always like to have my elevation open to see what's happening. So that's level 2. So we're going to push that plate up to level 2 and go back to my 3D view. Have those selected. So I want to copy and paste, and I want to set these up to level 2, I think. Is that level 1? That's 2. Okay. So there's our plate there now we have. So we're going to look at this in our sectional view. I'm sorry guys, this is what we're going to be looking at here. So go back into that floor plan view. I don't have a floor plan view open? You're kidding. Let's go into one of our floor plans here. Let's go into level 2. Okay, so there's our floor plan, there's our plates and our studs. We would need another joist here. So, you know, it's a little bit involved here doing these. Okay, so now I've got that plate there. That's at level 2. Okay. So then, now what we want to do is go into the architect's model. Actually, we might as well go ahead and take this guy on up to the top. Okay? So here, we got here. Actually, these joists are going to go all the way to this plate. Yes. Therefore, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take these guys here. I'm going to grab all these. Control. But anyway, guys, you get the idea. What I'm going to do, I'm going to finish this up, clean it up, and get the openings in. Now, how you would do the openings is simply this. So we've got our architect's model here. I'm going to take it and I'm going to reload it. Come on. I had a nice cold drink, man. It's good. Okay, so now these are our openings. So now to get the openings, we're going to take this wall here. I think this wall is linked in from the structural model. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab these guys. I'm going to tab here. I've got all those walls, and I'm going to bring these all the way up to the roof. Okay? So let's go to properties. Edit type. Oh, no. I'm going to go to properties, and we're at level 1. Let's go to the roof here with all the walls. Okay, so now we've got all our walls up to the roof. We got an issue with this plate here. That shouldn't be there. Well, that'll be our parapet. So now what we want to do is go into that architect's model, turn it on briefly, and pull these windows out. So I want to go into my north elevation here, and I'm going to turn the architect's model back on. Actually, it's on. Let's put this in wireframe so we can see. Okay, so we got windows there and there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my level 1. I'm going to turn the architect's model off now. And we could use these openings for windows. So we just go in our window command and we'll drop one here. We get that warning message, but it's there in 3D. See, so there's that window. And it's actually going to be a little bigger than that. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just adjust these windows and fix this up. So hey guys, I'm just getting through this guy, and I'm going to put these openings in here and finish this thing out. So we turn this off now. Let's just reload this, see what we got here. Boy, slow today. So we're bringing the, come on now, the architect's model, and we're going to leave it there. And I'm going to finish this up and see you guys in the next video. Let me just shut these off. Actually, I'm going to go and place some of these windows here. So over here, what do we have here? We've got something going on here. So I'm going to just edit this type here. Okay, we got 3 windows there. So I'm going to go into the south elevation. Okay, now I got this window here, and I'm going to adjust this. This window's a little bigger than this, so I'm going to my properties here, and that looks probably like a 3672 maybe. We got something like that going on with that window, and there were 3 of them. So let me just push this down so you can see the window in the background. See, there are the windows right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just grab this guy. I'm going to turn the wireframe back on just so we can see here. So this is good coordination exercise. So I'm going to just align this window here with, where's the window here in my, okay, it's about there. So I'm going to just take this guy and go here and push this window there. Uh-oh, cancel that. I'm not sure if I picked the right thing. Let's go and turn this off, turn this back on, hidden line. That window is, okay, that's good. We can just grab it here. So I see it there. I'm going to just take it and just, if I can nudge it down, just grab the window and nudge it down. So what I'm going to do, we know how to do this. Yep, so go right about there. And then I want to copy this over. Just copy it. There was another one here. I think we had 3 windows there. So there's our windows. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and do these windows, put them in. We know how to do this. And then for now, I'm going to hide my walls here. And there you go. So we'll finish this up. We got our framing going here. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to finish this up and move on to something more spicier. But this is the architect's model linked in to our model. I'm going to hide these elements in view. Just so you can see. So basically we've got our first level done, and then we've got windows also in the front here. So like I said, I'm going to get that going and then see you in the next video. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me like videos like this. This is just a framing of our vernacular house. So I'm going to finish this and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Be safe, y'all.